Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change DNS records on Godaddy to update where your domain points. Whether we are editing an A record, CNAME, or TXT record, making these changes helps connect your domain to the right services. On the Godaddy dashboard, all we need to do is go to our domain. As you can see, we have a domain listed here. We just need to click on the domain. On this page, we click DNS. To make a change, all we do is click Edit. From here, we can update the value, name, type, and TTL based on what we need. Once we are done, we simply click Save. If we need to make another change, we just repeat the same process. Click Edit and update the values as needed. And that is how we change DNS records on Godaddy in just a few simple steps.